In this video, we're going to demonstrate a warranty claim review AI agent. You'll see how this powerful tool automates key tasks and provides valuable insights, making the warranty claim review process faster, more accurate, and much more efficient for your team. The warranty claim admin has received a notification that a new warranty claim has been successfully created and is ready for their review. They have the option to view more details about the claim and a direct link into the A365 Finance and Operations system. This link takes them directly to the new claim record, making them more productive and their workflow more streamlined. As the record opens in F&O, the agent is prompted on the right-hand side to generate a probability assessment for the newly created claim. The user has clicked Yes, requesting the assessment while they perform some initial checks on the claim. You can see the same technician notes have come through from the technician's mobile, entered in their native language. Now, as the warranty claim admin, we know we're looking at the same record. After performing our checks and confirming we're comfortable with the claim, we can see that the agent on the right has completed its task. It has created a detailed review of the warranty claim and provided an assessment of whether a successful claim can be made to the OEM for this work. As we go through this, you'll see a full claim assessment report has been created, which provides the warranty claim's headline details. The agent has analyzed similar previous claims and reviewed the warranty claim history within Finance and Operations. Since all of the data is held in A365, the agent was able to review similar claims and detect that this type of claim has been previously submitted, and in this case, approved. What it has also done is check the warranty coverage for both the device and the work carried out on this service order. It ensures that the device is still within warranty, what that warranty covers or doesn't cover, and if the work carried out is included. Here you can see it provides details about the coverage period, covered components, and any exclusions that might apply. The agent then provides a probability of claim assessment. Based on similar claims, warranty coverage, the proposed solution, and the absence of any applicable exclusions, the agent believes we can make a strong and viable warranty claim to the OEM. So as you can see, the conclusion is that a new claim is likely to be approved. To further assist with this claim, we are also surfacing supplementary information about the device directly within the agent. This helps the warranty claim admin make a more informed review before submitting the claim. Instead of having to find this information in related records within A365 F&O, we can display it directly within the agent's interface. When we asked, "Would you like to see the warranty claims history?" it understood we wanted to see it for the specific device we're looking at. On the left side, we show you the existing process where a user would navigate to find existing warranty claim records for that device. While we can get to those records, the agent experience streamlines the process, allowing the admin to remain on the warranty claim record while reviewing all related data on the right-hand side. We can even drill into specific warranty claim details and pull up the record directly in the agent experience. This further enhances the current warranty claim by allowing us to take that supplementary data and add it to our existing claim. Similar to the previous agent, we understand this is just the beginning, and there are many other areas where we can enhance this review process. However, we believe that by empowering the warranty claim admin with a pre-prepared assessment and supplementary information on warranty claim and service order history, their job will be much easier and less prone to errors, significantly reducing admin overhead.